Upbeat music starts. Hey there, powerhouse women! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to skyrocketing your productivity with some killer tech hacks? Imagine this. It's 9 a.m., you have a jam-packed schedule and deadlines are looming. But instead of feeling overwhelmed, you're breezing through tasks like a pro, all thanks to a few smart tech tricks. Now let's dive right in. Here's the first hack that will change your life. 1. Ever heard of Trello or Asana? These tools are absolute game changers. They help you organize tasks, set priorities, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. No more sticky notes all over your desk. Picture this: color-coded boards, deadlines neatly aligned, and a clear overview of your progress. Trust me, it's a productivity dream come true. 1. Let's talk automation. Tools like IFTTT and Zapier can save you hours every week by automating repetitive tasks. Imagine this: your emails get sorted, your social media posts are scheduled, and even your grocery list updates itself. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. 1. Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. These aren't just for playing music or setting timers. Use them to manage your calendar, send messages, and even find quick answers to your questions. It's like having a tech-savvy friend by your side, 24/7. 1. Say goodbye to the days of losing important files. With cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox, your documents are safe, accessible from anywhere, and easy to share. Picture this: you're traveling for work and need that critical presentation. No problem, just a few clicks and you've got it. 1. Staying focused can be tough, especially with constant interruptions. Apps like Focus Booster or Pomodoro use the Pomodoro technique to help you work in focused intervals with breaks in between. It's like having a productivity coach in your pocket. Now let's address a common debate. Can too much tech actually hurt productivity? While it's true that endless notifications can be distracting, the key is to use tech mindfully. Turn off non-essential notifications, set specific times to check emails, and choose tools that truly add value to your workflow. Pause for effect. Here's the kicker: implementing these hacks isn't just about working more, it's about working smarter. And when you work smarter, you create more time for what truly matters: your passions, your family, and your well-being. Music becomes more uplifting. So, are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more transformative tips right here on the Billionaire Queen channel. Next up, we'll dive into advanced strategies for maximizing your work-life balance using tech. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite productivity hack or any tech tool you swear by. Let's build a powerhouse community together. Music reaches a crescendo. Until next time, stay fabulous and unstoppable. Music fades out.